Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can verify that high-tech wallet is a legitimate software. It's very easy actually to check because some of the people are telling me why should I trust you? Well, because my software is transparent and I'm verifiable. It's very easy to verify. You go to GitHub repository of high-tech wallet, which is this one. GitHub repository is a place where you can store the code. Here are the commits, meaning code updates. And here you go to this green check mark. As you see, it already shows its own Cloudflare pages, which, as you see, the project is also on Cloudflare pages because it has this postfix, which is unique to Cloudflare pages. So you click details, and here you actually have the proof because even though this URL is different than this one, because it has those numbers, what GitHub does whenever you deploy the code, you deploy the commit, the update, it puts this hash as a prefix to your original domain. Those that are familiar with GitHub, they know I tell the truth. And you can also verify it with AI, with I don't know, Grok, Gemini AI, whatever other AI, to see if I'm not lying. It's very easy actually to confirm it. So that literally means h173k bar wallet.pages.dev is the domain. So the one as you see here. So that means, well, if you are like very paranoid, you can keep checking on this repository what comments are made, what changes are applied, because I do update changes to improve the experience, improve the wallet, make it better and better. So yeah, it's very easy to actually check it. Meanwhile, when you use Phantom Wallet or MetaMask, you cannot really see it like this. Why? Because those are on app stores or play stores, and you don't have access to it. You don't really know if the same code is deployed to the app store or a play store uh, as the one you use on your device. Here, it's for 100% of the time, it's literally one-to-one is the same code. And as I said, here is the proof. You can even actually, if you're ultra paranoid, you can even go and open it here and install it from here. That's like there is no argument against high-tech wallet in this moment.